In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Semrush for keywords. If you're just getting started with keyword research or looking to refine your strategy, Semrush is a powerful tool that can make a big difference. To start, open up your preferred web browser and type Semrush into the search bar. Once you hit enter, you'll see the official Semrush website in your search results, so go ahead and click on that link. Once the page loads, you'll be prompted to log in if you already have an account. If you're new to Semrush, you'll need to sign up. It's quite straightforward. Just follow the prompts and fill in the required information to set up your account. After you've logged into Semrush, you'll be ready to dive into its features. Today, we're focusing on the Keyword Magic tool, which is a standout feature for keyword research. Imagine you're working in a specific niche or industry. You'll want to start by entering a broad keyword related to your business. For instance, if your business is all about gardening, you might start with organic gardening. After you enter the Keyword Magic tool will get to work and generate an extensive list of related keywords. Now, this isn't just a simple list. It comes with a wealth of information, including metrics like search volume, keyword difficulty, and search intent. These metrics are crucial because they give you insights into how often keywords are searched, how competitive they are, and what users are generally looking for. Now, to make the most out of these suggestions, you'll want to use the filters available. These filters allow you to narrow down your list based on the keyword difficulty score, search volume, and other factors. By tweaking these filters, you can isolate the keywords that align best with your goals. For example, you can filter out keywords with high difficulty scores if you're just starting and aim for keywords that have decent search volume but aren't too competitive. Speaking of keyword difficulty scores, it's wise to prioritize keywords with a lower score, especially if you're new to this. Keywords with a lower difficulty are generally easier to rank for, giving you a better chance to appear higher in search engine results. Exactly what you want when you're starting out or in a competitive industry. So there you have it, folks. With just a few simple steps, you can harness the power of Semrush to optimize your keyword strategy, driving more traffic to your content or business. Keep in mind that keyword research is an ongoing process, so regularly revisit and adjust your strategy as needed. Thank you for joining me today, and happy research.